Hello. So in this video, we're going to find the latitude of our vessel using the observation of Polaris. So to start, let's begin with the time. The zone time is 2000. So now we have our zone time. We are going to get our zone description, which is 148, your longitude, divided by 15. So 148 divided by 15 equals 9.8. We are going to round up, though, to 10. We're going to add, because it's west, and we're going to get 30 if we do that. But now there's not 30 hours in a day. So we're going to do 30 minus 24, and that's going to get us 0600. And that's going to be on the next day. So we're going to add a day, so it's going to be 17th of July. Okay, so now we have that. But we also have chronometer time. So our chronometer reads 05, 59, 16. And then the error is 1 minute and 28 seconds slow. So that means we're going to add slow, add fast, minus. Okay. So now we're adding. And it's going to be 59 minutes, 16 seconds, plus 1 minute, 28 seconds. It's going to equal 060044 seconds. Okay. So now that we have that, that is our GMT time on the 17th of July. Okay. So now let's go get our GHA. You get your GHA by going into your nautical almanac. Now we are in the nautical almanac on July 17th, and we are on Aries because Polaris is a star, and we are going to go to 0600 and get 24, 58.5. Okay. Now we need to get our minutes and seconds correction, which is 0 minutes and 44 seconds. 0 minutes and 44 seconds. Okay, it's going to be 11.0. GHA is, now we're going to add those. We're going to add 24, 58.5 plus 0 degrees, 11 minutes, and 0 seconds. You'll get 25 degrees, 9 minutes, and 5 seconds. Okay, so now that we have our GHA, we are going to do is take our longitude, which is 148 degrees and 35 minutes. And since we are going to do the opposite of the sign, so it's going to be plus east minus west. So since this is west, we're going to minus it. So we're going to do 25, 9, 5, minus 148, 35. Okay. So now we get negative 123 degrees, 25.55. Now we cannot have a negative. Now, once you add 360 to our negative LHA, you get 236 degrees, 34.5. Okay. So now that we have that, we have our LHA. Okay. So now another thing we're going to have to do is get our HO. So now it gives us our HS, which is 26, 57.5. We're going to get our height of I, which is 48 feet, our index error, which is 1.3 off, so that actually means we're going to add, and then that's going to get us our HA. Okay. So we go to our nautical almanac, and we go to the first page, which is going to be the sun, stars, and planets. Looking at our height of I, we're going to go to the dip. Height of I is 48, so it's right in between here. So it's going to be 6 minus 6.7. Okay, so now we're going to take 57.5 minus 6.7 plus 1.3. That's going to get us 52.1, 26 degrees, 52.1. Okay, so now we're going to go to our stars and planets apparent altitude corrections, and then we're going to look at 26, 52. So right in between here, it's going to be minus 1.9. And then we are going to get our HO, minus 1.9 equals 50.2. So we have our HO of 2650.2. So now we need to go to the Polaris tables. Trim the back. Now, once I'm on the Polaris tables, I'm going to follow this step here. So I'm in the 230 between 239 section of the Polaris tables, and I'm going to go to 236. So 236 is going to be right here, followed across, and then I'm going to get 1 degree, 44.3. Okay. And now I'm going to go down to A1, which is the latitude, and our latitude is 2722. So knowing that, I'm going to go in between here, and it's going to be 0.6. And then our A2 is going to be the month, which is July. And we're going to go here. It's going to be 1.0. Okay. And then we're going to subtract 1 degree. All the rest of these are going to be addition. So now that we have this, I'm going to add all these up, and that's going to be my lat. So 50.2 plus 44.3 plus 0.6 plus 1. 50 equals 27 degrees, 36.1. We have option C, which is exactly our idea.